So I was thinking during this quarantine, it's important to remember that you have to eat a healthy meal 3 times a day. So I thought I would do this little tutorial on how to eat healthy and make sure that you're getting your protein and your nutrients. So I'm gonna start by making a sandwich. I'm gonna put the mayonnaise on first. The knife, yeah, there it is. Gotta find the bread. Oh, there it is. Okay, found it. Now put the mayonnaise on the bread. Got it. Other side. There it is. Just gonna spread it on the bread. Yeah. A little faster, it's fine. Doesn't need to be perfect. There we go. Just gonna put the knife back in. Now I go for the mustard. Let's shake it up a little bit first, right? Now we're gonna put the mustard on the bread. Close. There it is. Yep. Over on the that's fine. Good enough. Now we got to spread the mustard. Got a little on the corner, which is fine. You know, it's about as much mustard as I like on my sandwich. So put that down. Yep. Now I put the meat on. The meat is over here. Put it right on that sandwich, and then some cheese, because all of these have lots of protein and nutrients. And then you put the last part of the bread on. And then I like to take a big bite. It's delicious. And it's also, then I like to dab it in the stuff that we missed, and then take another bite. This is delicious, yeah. And then it's important to make sure that you eat your vegetables. So make sure that you always have vegetables with you. Oh, break the last, yeah, I forgot to take the bottom part off. It's good. You gotta make sure that you get, oh, and just add in the rest of the mayonnaise that we missed. Yep, take tap it off, yep. And then it's important to eat your applesauce. I'm just gonna open this. Find my spoon. No, I don't need the rest of the mayonnaise. Okay. Now I'm gonna eat my applesauce because that's also very important. It's so yummy. I'm just gonna save that for later. And then I need some juice because you gotta stay hydrated right now. Just gonna, yeah, there it is. And then you just pour it in. Just flick that cap anywhere, you know, doesn't matter. Find it later. Okay, that's quite enough juice for now. Stir it up. And then just put it down the hole, you know? You gotta put it up all the way. A little bit more. Perfect. Hydrated now. Perfect. And that concludes our healthy lunch tutorial. Yeah, I hope you're all staying safe and having fun. Bye. Okay, that's enough.